to my channel. So today I'm going to check the JCB. The machine is far from my city, about 220 kilometers from my city. So the customer said the machine has low power. So now I'm driving. So this is one of the journey on the way to the machine. So now journey. So I have to slow down inside the journey. About 800 meter. The length is about 800 meter, but there is no light. The company still not connect for the lighting. One of the truck in front of me, so it pass. Okay, so now out of the journey right now. The road is blocking here. The landslide. This point further on the road is blocking here. So I have to park the car in here. Then I have to walking until right to the machine. Okay, so the machine is here. The operator said machine has a low power. So let me check. Key on. He said the picture of the engine is showing here, an E717. Also you can see the low power problem. So before I do anything, let's check around to the fuel filter first. Okay, let's go together. Ni nam there you go. Temba. Okay. Look at this, 100% sure. So the water level is rising over here. So that's why the engine has the low power, because there is a sensor for the water. So it's like the operator not drain the water. Also I can see here. You can see. So I will clean this fuel filter, then we check it again. So before I clean the fuel filter and fuel system, I will start the engine and test the problem to confirm it. Yes, it can start. Yes. So the engine can start, but the start is quite hard. That's maybe the starting time is longer than normal. and of the engine RPM. Yeah, the still. Look at this. Almost shut off. 1200. Okay. So this cannot be. Shut on the engine. So I will clean all of the fuel filter, clean the fuel line, then I will test this problem again. Look at this water separator condition. It's like a mud inside. So like that, it's really dirty. Poor maintenance. So luckily I bring the fuel filter, so I will replace the new filter at the same time, and also the engine oil filter. The operator said the machine was never changed the engine oil, so I will change engine oil at the same time. So now already replaced the new fuel filter and also the engine oil filter. Change the new engine oil at the same time. Also the rear operator glass. Yeah, it's good. They use it as tap or use it temporary. So replace the disc glasses too. The new rear glass already replaced it, and changing the engine oil. Then we start the engine and test the machine condition. So now the error still happening, still showing E717. So look at the diagnostic E717 injector metering repressure sensor number 1. So I will fix for the injector connector first, then check the problem again. So I'm going to check the injector condition. Maybe probably loose. On the still show that this error E717 number 1 injector connector. Even I clean the connector, so this low connector terminal is no good, so need to replace this one. I just bring this morning this connector, Delphi connector, so I will replace this connector, this one. So here's the 2 wire, the same with new connector but still error. E717. So we do it for injector cylinder test. Now I test the injector like that. Stop. Tụi mình mày xì ăn cái cọ đó. So regarding by this issue, so I continue to replace the new high pressure pump assembly, but right now the pump camshaft and pure transfer pump available in my store, so I have to the customer to save the cost. So I replace the pure transfer pump camshaft on site and put it on the pump and test the machine problem. So after that, the problem has gone away. So the issue for this machine is, number one, pure water in the fuel, and that is related to the fuel injector and fuel injection pump fail. So number one, replace the fuel feeder and clean the fuel line. Number two, replace the fuel injector assembly. Number three, and repairing for high pressure pump. So that's the issue for this problem.